Need your OKX UID or user ID for support, referrals, or verification? Here is a quick tutorial to finding it using the web version of OKX. So start by opening your browser and go to okx.com. Then log into your account if you haven't already. So after logging in, move your cursor over to your profile icon. And this will be on the top right, and on the app it will be on the top left. Right, and then select profile and settings. And you'll see your UID info displayed within the profile section on the user center page. Just copy that UID here. So this is the UID. You can just click on it to copy that. And on the web, it will be on the right. Just go to your profile and click on it, and you'll see UID here. And if you want to copy your user ID, just go to the profile and then click copy, and this will copy your user ID. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in the next video.